Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone, rumored to be called the iPhone Ultra or iPhone Fold, is slated to debut next month, potentially alongside the iPhone 18 series on September 9th. However, persistent manufacturing hurdles are forcing Apple to reconsider its traditional global launch strategy, pointing toward a United States first rollout. Supply chain reports indicate that Apple is confronting significant production obstacles, including low manufacturing yields, hardware defects on early prototype units, and exceptionally costly components. Suppliers are currently struggling to scale up the production of foldable display parts to meet Apple's stringent quality and volume benchmarks. Because this device is projected to be Apple's most expensive iPhone yet, with starting prices estimated above $2,000, the company cannot risk a catastrophic supply shortage right out of the gate. This phased market introduction mirrors Apple's playbook with the Vision Pro headset, which launched exclusively in the United States to manage limited initial inventory and smooth out early production kinks before expanding internationally. For the foldable iPhone, initial inventory levels are expected to be only a fraction of a standard iPhone launch. This will likely trigger severe pre-order bottlenecks, extended shipping delays, and potential waiting periods stretching into late 2026 or early 2027 for international buyers. The engineering complexity behind the device stems from its advanced specifications. Rumors point to a massive 7.8-inch inner display featuring a minimized crease, housed within a durable titanium chassis. Under the hood, the device is expected to pack Apple's A20 Pro chip, paired with 12 GB of RAM, designed to support heavy multitasking and deliver an iPad-class experience in a foldable form factor.